So guys, I'm going to make the eccentric first, and this time I'm going to use a quarter inch packing. Before I've been using 3/16. I want to get a quarter inch of, like, you know, stroke, as it were. I'm not sure if it's going to work because I need to get it proper there. So yeah. At the moment, I'm just drilling 3mm holes in them because I'm not sure what shaft or rod I'm going to use. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest of the camera, but if this doesn't work, I'm going to go back to my 3/16 packing. Sorry guys, I didn't video me cutting this out and like that, so I used one of these tools to do it. Anyway, long and short of it is that I did it with mild steel and they found it a bit hard to weld, so I'm going to make the chassis with the stainless steel, so hopefully that will be easy to weld. And this is it. Kind of fits nicely there, doesn't it? Now, I have found something very important, is that I just did that as I felt like it. Then I had to find a drill bit to fit it, and I was lucky that I got a drill bit that just fits it, and it's just slightly loose, which is fine. And next time I'll cut this out first and then get this done, because you never know. I can't put it back in the chuck the same way, I don't think. So yeah. This is going to be the main piston. It already has a hole in it, so I'm just going to sort the ends out. That's all right. Watch you in action. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're missing much. I just pause that video. Okay guys, so I'm making this piece here, just gonna sort the ends out and drill a hole in them to go at the end of this one here, and that'll be welded there, and this piece to go through there, so we'll have air going through the back here.